Hello everyone, this is Sandeep from Xiaomi India and I am here to tell you why your new best friend, the Xiaomi RVC Mop 2i, is the ideal tool to help you keep your home looking clean and tidy anytime, anywhere. Now, reason number one for this is the fact that this comes with a minimalistic compact design that has a height of just 81.3 millimeters, making it really slim and compact, and also able to access all those parts under your bed, under your sofa, under tables that are hard to reach and hard to clean, so you can keep your home looking clean and tidy, but also feeling fresh and tidy, considering that it goes into those hard to reach spots even when you can't. Next up is the powerful obstacle crossing. Not only can it avoid objects and also make sure that it does not fall over a flight of stairs, for example, but it also has the ability to climb as high as 20 millimeters on carpet or other various material to ensure that all parts of your home, even though they have different materials or different heights, are still capable of being completely clean every single time. Next up is the washable filter. Now this is a great feature considering that your RVC sucks in air and there's also an outlet that pumps out air from the RVC itself. Considering that there is a filter that is also washable, you can be sure that any air that's exiting your vacuum cleaner after it's done cleaning is always pure and safe to breathe in any environment. Your RVC is also extremely smart. It knows when to go and charge itself, and it can also resume the cleaning once it is done recharging. So even if you have a really large home, what it'll do is it'll go back to its dock, automatically dock itself, charge, and then resume cleaning whenever it's ready to go out again. All this makes the Xiaomi RVC Mop 2i an incredibly good value for money product that keeps your home looking clean and tidy anytime, anywhere.